Welcome back. Today we're gonna be making something, but first, let me clean up my dirty shop. Okay, that's fun now. Today we're gonna be making this. Sorry. Ugh. Okay, there we go. So, yes, today we're going to make a Lego blaster. The one that they used to have on like all the clone troopers and stormtroopers in the early 2000s. So let's go ahead and cut these out, and then I'll step by step go through this template. Now that we've cut out the pieces, the pattern pieces of course, we're gonna go ahead and trace them to foam. Okay, this one says bevel here. You get one of these in 4mm. What you're gonna do is you're gonna wanna go an inside bevel cut. So I put Plastidip on it and I called it the finished product. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one, hopefully. Goodbye.